Welcome to our channel. If you want to activate YouTube TV on your Vizio SmartCast TV using Chromecast, follow these quick steps to start streaming. Step 1. Make sure your Vizio SmartCast TV and your smartphone or tablet are connected to the same Wi-Fi network. Step 2. Open the YouTube TV app on your smartphone or tablet. If you don't have it installed, download it from the App Store or Google Play Store. Step 3. Log into your YouTube TV account using your Google credentials. Step 4. Look for the cast icon in the top right corner of the YouTube TV app and tap on it. Step 5. Select your Vizio SmartCast TV from the list of available devices. Your TV screen should display a message indicating that it is connecting. Step 6. Once connected, browse for the content you want to watch on your smartphone or tablet and tap on a show or movie to start playing it on your TV. Step 7. Use your smartphone or tablet as a remote control to pause, play, or adjust the volume of the content streaming on your Vizio SmartCast TV. Step 8. Your YouTube TV is now successfully activated and streaming on your Vizio SmartCast TV via Chromecast. Enjoy your favorite live TV channels, sports, and on-demand content on the big screen. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.